Hello everyone and welcome back. In this video we are going to learn how to add pose detection to our application. It's actually an API from MLKit that we are going to add inside our project. So to begin, let's go inside the libs.versions.toml and then add the library down below everything here. And let's add it inside our build.gradle file. Let's press sync, close this one, and let's go directly to the FilterStorage to add the keys for shared preference. Same stuff that we do as before. Handle the load and save function, and then go to the filters UI state, add the state of it here, and then inside the reload, we add it here. Let's go to the filter dialog and add a new title here, and then for the save we'll pass the pose detection to it. Now let's bring this class here inside our image processor and let's take a look inside it. So we have the pose detection effect that gets the detector from the MLKit library, the pose detector, and has the apply function as the usual, runs the suspend cancelable coroutines and gets the pose. So if the pose is not empty, we want to use the draw pose, and we either draw a skeleton or draw the points using all of the dimension of the pose that is being detected. So let's go inside our pipeline and add what we need here. A pose detection object, of course the pose detection variable as the blueprint, and the condition to render the pose detection. Now let's go back to WebRTC factory, add a new state, pose detection, and update it inside the reload and go for the enabled data class and pass pose detection to it. So we should be able to launch our application now. Now let's press the call button. Okay, it's detecting my face as food. Very nice. Let's disable previews and add the pose detector. It's actually funny. It can detect your position of your body, something like that. Yeah, it should be zoomed out to work precisely, but that's worked for me. So that's how you add pose detection API from MLKit to your Android project. So let's move to the next video. Till the next video, see you everyone.